How to operate temperature data logger? In this video you will learn about G-Tek's user programmable reusable temperature data logger, the LM Pro T. Unboxing. You will receive the device along with a quick start guide, battery, and device calibration certificate. Activation. To activate the device, first install the battery, position the data logger on its back. Open the battery cover by a coin turning in anti-clockwise direction. Please handle the battery cover with care to avoid any damage. Now insert the CR2032 3-volt coin cell, ensuring the positive terminal is visible. Close the cover by turning it clockwise until the arrows align. The data logger's screen will light up, and both LED will briefly blink. Note: do not remove the battery when the data recording is on. Check the battery status on display and accordingly replace the battery when required. Note: when you replace the battery, any measurements currently in progress will stop, but all stored data will be safe and sound. However, the minimum and maximum values for the current data will be calculated from the time you replace the battery. Note: it's desirable to reconfigure your data logger after changing the battery. Now, to configure the device, plug the data logger directly into your computer's USB port. Open the LM View-E051 software application. The configuration process has two parts: alarm setup and batch setup. Let's set up alarm. The system allows you to configure 4 independent alarms. Here's how to configure each alarm. Alarm number. Choose from alarm 1, A1, 2, alarm 4, A4. Alarm type. Select high or low alarm type. Set point. Enter the desired temperature value in degrees Celsius. Event. Pick between single or cumulative event type. Single event alarm occurs when a reading exceeds their respective alarm set points continuously for a predefined duration. When the total time of reading exceeds the cumulative alarm set point of temperature is more than set delay, it is considered as a cumulative event. Delay. Set the time delay, in hours and minutes, for the alarm to trigger. The range is from 0000 to 2359. The alarm delay time for cumulative events must be equal to or more than the single event. Note: it is desirable to set all 4 alarm parameter to avoid default settings. Now let's set up batch. Name your batch. Give your batch a clear ID and name, up to 10 letters and numbers each. Unit of temperature. Temperature readings will be in degrees Celsius. Store interval. Choose how often to record data between 5 seconds and 18 hours. Number of readings. Here one can see the recorded data points of the batch. It's based on start time, stop time, and how often data is saved. Store interval. There's a limit of 50,000 readings. Time zone. Select your time zone, based on UTC time. Current date and time. This shows the data logger's time. Click Clock to sync it with your computer's time in the chosen time zone. Start time. Set the time when data recording will begin. Note: the software allows users to define a custom delay for the batch start time. Stop time. Set a stop time for data logger to stop recording. Note: if user does not set the stop time, the system will calculate it based on your start time and store interval as per maximum number of readings. Display options. Choose auto off to save battery, or permanent on if needed. This drains battery faster but keeps the display on. Note: auto off display is selected by default. Once you've set batch parameters, click Configure Batch. Note: configuring a new batch will delete previously recorded data. Ensure you back up necessary information before continuing. Configuring multiple devices. Follow steps for alarm and batch configuration on the first device. Choose a suitable start time so all devices can begin recording at the same time. After configuring the first device, a message window will appear. Connect another data logger and click OK. Note: repeat same steps for all remaining devices, updating the ID and batch name for each while keeping other settings unchanged. Once all devices are configured, click Cancel to exit the setup. Data recording. Now there are two ways to begin recording data after configuring a batch in LMView 𝐒0511. Automatic start. The recording will automatically start at the pre-configured start time. 2. Manual start. You can manually initiate recording after configuration by pressing the start button for about 10 seconds. Note: if not needed, then let the batch start at pre-configured time only. Upon starting data recording, the STP LED turns off. The Run LED starts flashing, and our EC appears on the display. This user-programmable temperature data logger is perfect for ensuring the safety of vaccines, food, or any other temperature-sensitive goods. See you in the next video where we'll explore how to view temperature readings, check alarms, and download data. Remember to subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. To contact us, email us on sales@gtek-india.com. WhatsApp us on +91 982 452 2295. Or you can visit our website www.gtek-india.com.